Cymraeg, ti'n barod?
Bore da, sut wyt ti, da iawn diolch, bore da.
Hi everybody, good
Hi. Welcome to Cardiff Central Library Hub.
Croeso pawb I Hyfyd Llyfrgell Canolog Caerdydd.
I'm Anna, Rhigwm Anna.
I'm Sian, dwi'n Sian.
And we're going to sing to you in English and Welsh.
A ni'n mynd I canu gyda chi heddiw yn Cymraeg a Saesneg. A heddiw, rydyn ni'n mynd I ganu rai caneuon anifeiliad o fferm.
Yeah, we're going to sing about farm animals today.
But, I dechrau, yn gadael I symud.
First of all, we're going to get moving. Are we ready, everybody?
I think so.
Ready to jump out of bed?
Jump out of bed in the morning. I jump out of bed in the morning. I jump out of bed in the morning and hope it's a very nice day. Diane, ti'n diolch I wyneb?
I
jump out of bed and wash my face in the morning. I jump out of bed and wash my face in the morning. I jump out of bed and wash my face in the morning and hope it's a very nice day. Diane, brush your dannedd. I jump out of bed and wash my face and brush my teeth in the morning. I jump out of bed and wash my face and brush my teeth in the morning. I jump out of bed and wash my face and brush my teeth in the morning and hope it's a very nice day. Oh, da iawn! Nawr yn Cymraeg, dyma fod ni ymwch I wyneb. Ti'n barod? Dyma fod i'r ymwch I wyneb, ymwch I wyneb, ymwch I wyneb. Dyma fod I ymwch I wyneb yn gynnar yn y bore. Da iawn. Naw, ti'n barod I brwsio dannedd? Brwsio dannedd. Dyma fod I brwsio dannedd, brwsio dannedd, brwsio dannedd. Dyma fod I brwsio dannedd yn gynnar yn y bore. A naw gwallt. Dyma fod I brwsio gwallt, brwsio gwallt, brwsio gwallt. Dyma fod I brwsio gwallt yn gynnar yn y bore. Da iawn, very good everybody. Oh, now, can hyfryd.
Oh, everybody ready to
bobbin.
wind the bobbin?
Wind the bobbin up, wind the bobbin up. Pull, pull, clap, clap, clap. Wind it back again, pull, pull, clap, clap, clap. Point to the ceiling, point to the floor, point to the window, point to the door. Clap your hands together, 1, 2, 3. Put your hands upon your knees. Da iawn. A naw yn Cymraeg, rydyn ni'n canu clap, clap, 1, 2, 3. Ti'n barod? Clap, clap, 1, 2, 3. Clap, clap, 1, 2, 3. Clap, clap, 1, 2, 3. Troia, troia, doelo. Ti'n ready I tap, tap? Tap, tap. Tap, tap, 1, 2, 3. Tap, tap, 1, 2, 3. Tap, tap. 1, 2, 3, troia, troia, doelo. Anna, ti'n barod I sus, sus, sus. Sus, sus. 1, 2, 3, sus, sus. 1, 2, 3, sus, sus. 1, 2, 3, troia, troia, doelo. Da iawn, pawb. Now, mae'n amser I mynd i'r fferm.
Old McDonald.
Oh, here we go. Are you ready?
Barod,
I
barod.
love this one. Dwi'n caru hwnna. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O, with a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Yn Cymraeg, dewch am dro I ffem tadgu, E-I-E-I-O. Ac ar y ffem mae dafad wen, E-I-E-I-O. Gyda ba fan hyn, gyda ba fan draw, ba 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 ra bob claw. Dewch am dro i fferm tad gi, E-I-E-I-O. Oh, now we're going back to Old MacDonald's farm. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm,
E-I-E-I-O.
Dewch am dro i fferm tad gi, E-I-E-I-O. Ac ar y ffem mae mochyn pink, E-I-E-I-O. Gyda soch fan hyn, gyda soch fan draw, soch, 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 soch a bob llaw. Dyma dro i fferm tad gi, E-I-E-I-O. Oh, do we need to clap?
I am.
Right.
Very well done, everybody.
Okay. Doing that on now.
Yes.
Now.
Yeah, me too.
Gan nesa
Oh.
ydi... O! Dwi'n mwynhau eis.
My can bounce you.
A
A bouncy song.
Yes, Horsie Horsie. Are you ready? Horsie Horsie, don't you stop. Just let your feet go clippity-clop. Your tail goes swish and the wheels go round. Giddy up, we're homeward bound. Ready for Welsh? Ti'n barod I Gymru? Mynd ar y ceffyl, clippity-clop. Mynd ar y ceffyl, trot, trot, trot. Lan i'r mynydd, lawr i'r cwm. Draw dros y dolig, bwm, bwm, bwm. Gyrri o gyrri, gyrri o gyrri, gyrri o gyrri fel y gwynt. Oh! Mynd ar y ceffyl, clippity-clop. Mynd ar y ceffyl, trot, trot, trot. Lan i'r mynydd, lawr i'r cwm. Draw dros y dolig, bwm, bwm, bwm. Da iawn! Ti'n ready am ras?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Go, go, go. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Woo! Yn gyflymach, faster. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Go, go, go. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Woo! Oh. Oh, that's all.
Good.
Oh, dwi'n angen.
Fabulous. Well done, Teddy. Lots of bouncing.
Okay, now. Oh, it's time to go to sleep, Hannah.
It's not.
Mae'n amser I wedi blino.
Oh.
See the little bunny sleeping?
Now, where's my bunny? Oh, bunny.
Here's my bunny. Are you ready, everyone? Little pal.
See the little bunny sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we wake them oh so gently with a merry tune? Oh, how still are they ill? Wake up soon.
Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop and stop. Oh, the bunny enjoyed that one. Now, yn Cymraeg, un bunny, 2 bunny, 3 bunny yn dansio.
Da iawn.
1 bunny, 2 bunny, 3 bunny yn dawnsio. 4 bunny, 5 bunny, 6 bunny yn dawnsio. 7 bunny, 8 bunny, 9 bunny yn dawnsio. 10 bunny yn dawnsio'n llwn. Yn gyflymach Anna, faster.
Ydw, ie.
1 bunny, 2 bunny, 3 bunny yn dawnsio. 4 bunny, 5 bunny, 6 bunny yn dawnsio. 7 bunny, 8 bunny, 9 bunny yn dawnsio. 10 bunny yn dawnsio'n llwn. O, hyfryd iawn. Okay, Anna, it's time to get busy.
Oh, is it?
It's time,
So
gadael I
easy.
curo. It's time to clap and to sing.
Yeah.
Are you ready? We're
so
gonna
excited.
march. 1, 2, 3. Ha! 2, 3, 4. Ha! 2, 3, 10,000 men. He marched them up to the top of the hill and he marched them down again. And when they were up, they were up. And when they were down, they were down. And when they were only halfway up, they were neither up nor down. And down. Oh, but he had 10,000 men. He marched them up to the top of the hill and he marched them down again. And when they were up, they were up. And when they were down, they were down. And when they were only halfway up, they were neither up nor down. Down, everyone. Down, pub. Now, me well. Me welais Jac y Do. Are you ready?
Who's this coming now? Look at this big blue bird.
Jac y Do. Ti'n barod? Me welais Jac y Do, yn eistedd a bento, wen ar y ben ar y dwy groes ben yn ho 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 ho, yn canu ho ho ho, yn canu ho ho ho, wen ar y ben ar y dwy groes ben yn ho 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 ho. Lovely, dwi'n canu yna. Okay.
Fabulous.
Now, Ciro and Dwylo.
Ciro and Dwylo.
Ti'n barod I Ciro and Dwylo? Ciro and Dwylo. Ciro and Dwylo. Ciro and Dwylo. 13. Clicio y bysedd. Clicio y bysedd. Clicio y bysedd. 13. Stampio y traed. Stampio y traed. Stampio y traed. 13.
Oh, yeah. We've got to have Mr. Scarecrow, haven't we?
Are you ready? Let's play them.
When all the cows were sleeping and the sun had gone to bed.
When all the cows were sleeping and the sun had gone to bed, up jumped a scarecrow and this is what he said. I'm a dingle dangle scarecrow with a flippy floppy hat. I can shake my hands like this, I can shake my feet like that. When all the hens were roosting and the moon was behind a cloud, up jumped the scarecrow and shouted very loud. I'm a dingle dangle scarecrow with a flippy floppy hat. I can shake my hands like this, I can shake my feet like that.
Super.
Excellent, as echo.
Yes, right.
Now, dwi'n barod
Yes.
am gan
Little bit
dawel.
Little bit quiet. I think I'm ready to be a bit quiet now as well. I'm a bit sleepy.
Yep. Shall we
Quiet
sing
song.
Twinkle, Twinkle?
Twinkle, twinkle.
Ready? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Oh, perfect.
Very nice.
Now, heno, heno, hen blant bach. Heno, heno, hen blant bach. Dimmer, 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 hen blant bach. Dimmer, 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 hen blant bach. Cysgu, cysgu, hen blant bach. Cysgu, cysgu, hen blant bach. Dimmer, 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 hen blant bach. Dimmer, 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 hen blant bach. Oh, hyfryd, iawn. O, nawr, mae'n amser dweud o fawr.
Is it it really time to say goodbye already?
It is. Mae'n amser dweud hwyl fawr. Are you ready? Goodbye to you. Goodbye to you. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye to you. A hwyl fawr, ffrindiau. Hwyl fawr, ffrindiau. Hwyl fawr, ffrindiau. Mae'n amser dweud hwyl fawr. Twralwran bantani, bantani, bantani. Twralwran bantani. Mae'n amser dweud hwyl fawr.
Bye everybody, see you next week.
Diolch am gwylio a gweld i chi wythnos nesa. Hwyl fawr.
Hwyl, bye.